All right, guys, so you have officially opened your Etsy shop. Congratulations. Now, when you open your shop, you will be given a shop manager dashboard. If you're logging into Etsy, you will find it at the top of the page to the far right next to your avatar. It looks like a little shop with an awning. So you're going to click on that and it will take you to this screen. So we're going to continue setting up the internal workings of our shop. So we are going to go over to settings right here and info and appearance. So this is a really important step. When you are selling on Etsy, you definitely want people to be able to see who you are and know what you're selling. This is great for SEO, which will get you found and get you some sales. So it'll have your default shop name in here. You can go ahead and change it if there's nothing set up yet. You can go ahead and pick your shop name. It does not have to be anything to do with your email or anything like that. I just keep everything pretty consistent, so you can go in there and make that. Once again, when you're choosing this name, if you want to change it, like it did in the first part of the setup, there may be other shops with the same name, so you may have to add numbers or get really creative with what you're going to call your shop. Next is the shop title. So you don't have a lot of characters in here, but it's basically your elevator pitch for when people are landing on your Etsy page or searching your Etsy page, what specifically you're going to sell. So you want to be very keyword heavy on this. As you can see, this is the shop that I currently run for Anastasia's Templates, and it says show it templates for photographers and small businesses. So you're going to want to add a lot of keywords in there to make sure that if people are searching show it or templates or photography or small businesses, that those things will pop up because you put it in your shop title. Next, you're going to upload a icon of yourself. Like I said, it's really great for people to be able to see who they're buying from, because people are more likely to buy from a person that they feel like they can relate to versus a generic photo or a product photo. So I always recommend uploading a really nice photo of yourself. If you do not have a really nice photo of yourself, you can always just take one with your phone against a plain background or a well-lit background in front of a window, and then just go ahead and upload that. All right, so if you move down the page, these might be some more advanced things. Shop announcement, you do not have to put this up right away. I didn't do this for a first couple weeks after I opened my shop, once I launched my actual website, because I do offer payment plans for all of my website templates on my own Show It website. So you can go ahead and go into shop announcement. And if you have something that you want to announce, or a sale that you're planning on having, or even just to say hi to your potential customers, this is a great place to go ahead and put this in. Next, we're going to go down to message to buyers. So it says we include this message on a receipt page and in the email buyers receive when they purchase from your shop. So if you are trying to give them extra info or insight on how to use the templates, or even just thanking them for a purchase, this is where you're going to put that. Personally, I have my Flow Desk, which is my email manager. It's basically like a MailChimp. I have that link in there, so if they are interested in getting more information from me or my newsletter and info on sales from my website, this is where they can click this link and put it in their browser to join that mailing list. So if you scroll down, we're going to go to message to buyers for digital items. This is super important. So you can actually, if you want to, I'm going to scroll down through this so you can see exactly what I write, and make sure you put something similar. Obviously, I am not a lawyer, so I do not write completely legal jargon that you would need. If you want to get it checked with a lawyer, totally feel free. I just put in, all digital files are final sale, because due to the nature of digital files, once people get your PDF with your links, they have your template. So if they buy it and they're like, oh, I bought the wrong template, or oh, I didn't buy it for the right platform, include this in your message to buyers, because, I always like to think that people are, super good and it is just an honest mistake, but you still have to protect your business and protect your money and protect your sales. So we will not be offering any refunds on digital products, and we put that in each listing as well. I always tell everyone in each listing, like, make sure that you are buying this for the right platform. It's for Showa, it's for Squarespace, just so they're really clear on what they're buying, because at that point, once they hit purchase, that's on them to make sure that they have the correct item. Now, if you click shop name and you changed your shop name at the beginning and you didn't really like it, feel free to come in here. It's not the end of the world. It's not a final thing if you selected a shop name that you do not like, or if you're selling for a while and you decide, oh, I want to change it to something more specific or something different altogether. This is where you will do that.